Welcome to AI Digital Apps channel. And today we're talking about a topic that's essential for any small business looking to thrive in the digital world: web hosting. Just like a physical store needs a solid foundation, your website needs a reliable host to keep it running smoothly. We're diving deep into 5 top contenders in the web hosting game, breaking down their strengths, weaknesses, and what makes them a good fit for your business. Let's get started.
First up, we've got Hostinger, a name that's become synonymous with affordability without compromising performance. Hostinger's plans are some of the most budget-friendly out there, making them super accessible for startups and small businesses watching their bottom line. But don't let the price fool you. Hostinger packs a punch when it comes to performance. They've got data centers strategically placed around the globe, ensuring fast loading speeds for your website visitors no matter where they are. And if you're new to the whole web hosting game, Hostinger's got your back. Their user interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate, even if you're not a tech whiz. They've really focused on making the whole experience user-friendly, from setting up your website to managing your account.
Next up is a heavyweight in the hosting world, especially for those in the WordPress ecosystem: Bluehost. If you're planning on building your website with WordPress, Bluehost should be at the top of your list. They're officially recommended by WordPress.org, which speaks volumes about their reliability and performance for WordPress sites. Bluehost's shared hosting plans are a popular choice for small businesses and come packed with features, including a free domain name for the first year, free SSL certificate for that added layer of security, and unmetered bandwidth so you don't have to worry about hitting any limits.
Let's talk SiteGround, a hosting provider that consistently earns praise for its exceptional customer support and top-notch security features. SiteGround's support team is available 24/7 via phone, email, and live chat, and they're not your average support agents. These guys are knowledgeable, responsive, and genuinely invested in helping you resolve any issues you might encounter. On the security front, SiteGround goes above and beyond, implementing proactive measures to keep your website safe from threats. They offer free daily backups, automatic WordPress updates, and advanced security features like account isolation and anti-bot systems. If you're serious about security and want that peace of mind, SiteGround is definitely worth considering.
Now, if you're looking for a hosting provider that can grow with your business, HostGator has got you covered. They offer a wide range of hosting solutions, from shared hosting for those just starting out to VPS and dedicated servers for businesses with more demanding needs. HostGator's shared hosting plans are budget-friendly and come with unmetered bandwidth and a free domain name for the first year. As your business grows and your website traffic increases, you can easily upgrade to a more powerful plan without any hassle. HostGator also provides 24/7 customer support via phone, email, and live chat to assist you with any questions or technical issues you might have.
Last but not least, we have DreamHost, a hosting provider that puts a strong emphasis on privacy and security. They offer a range of hosting options, including shared hosting, managed WordPress hosting, VPS, and dedicated servers. DreamHost's shared hosting plans are a solid choice for small businesses and bloggers, with features like a free SSL certificate, unmetered bandwidth, and a user-friendly control panel. One of DreamHost's standout features is their commitment to privacy. They offer domain privacy protection to keep your personal information out of the public WHOIS database, and they have a strict no-logging policy, meaning they don't track your website traffic or activity. So, if privacy is a top priority for you, DreamHost is definitely worth checking out.
So, there you have it. 5 solid web hosting options for small businesses, each with their own strengths and specialties. Remember, the best web host for your business depends on your specific needs, budget, and technical expertise. Don't be afraid to take advantage of free trials or money-back guarantees to test the waters before committing to a long-term plan. With so many great options available, you're sure to find the perfect hosting solution to power your online presence. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech breakdowns and comparisons. Peace.